This is our video 3 in LiDAR training series. If you haven't seen the previous videos, the links are in the description. Feel free to check them out. In today's video, we will explore the various applications of LiDAR and benefits it brings to the specific field. Firstly, let's look how the archaeologists utilize LiDAR. An excellent example of importance of LiDAR in modern archaeological survey in the case of the Maya civilization. For years, archaeologists struggled to unveil the mysteries of this 1,300 years old civilization in Guatemala due to dense jungle. In 2018, archaeologists used LiDAR sensor for an aerial survey, revealing crucial information they have been searching for. The complete documentary is available on the National Geographic channel, the link in the description. I will definitely recommend this video to worth watching. Secondly, LiDAR plays a significant role in power line inspection. Engineers employ LiDAR drone to inspect power lines, identifying small objects that may not capture in photogrammetry. This inspection ensures the safety of power lines, check for cable breakages, assess wire profile, check for swinging wires, and identify potential dangerous trees. LiDAR make this inspection efficient, cost effective, and safe for surveyor also. Data analysis can be performed and comparison with previous dataset can also be made. Furthermore, LiDAR is extensively used in wind turbine inspection, pipeline inspection, and railway inspection due to its ability to capture detailed 3D model and identify small objects. Moving to the mining, LiDAR drones are used to create accurate 3D models of mining areas, facilitating analysis. LiDAR capability to capture small objects is beneficial for creating detailed 3D point clouds, aiding in the analysis of machinery and cables on mining site. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss the analysis technique using LiDAR data. In forestry, LiDAR is employed to measure everything from tree height to leaf size. The data generated helps in land classification, forest fire management, and inventory management. LiDAR ability to penetrate through tree canopies and accurate capture ground data makes it invaluable tool in forestry. There are many more applications of LiDAR mapping that we will explore in the upcoming videos. In the next video, we will learn how to select drones and LiDAR sensor. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe to our channel and visit our website droneschools.in. Thanks for watching.